The community is entitled to an independent, unbiased examination of what happened that day, and let the chips fall where they may in that respect. But the family is entitled to know that the investigation, the findings, the probable cause of this incident were determined in an unbiased way. The public is entitled to know that. And once again, during this sweltering heat, today it's almost 100 degrees in Chicago, I'm sure this issue of rail inspection is hot on the minds of all of the people in the industry. And what could be more important to the community than traveling, knowing that whenever you're near a railroad, that the train is not about to go off of the tracks. Here we had coal. What if we had other toxic substances that were exposing the community to harm? And that's why we think it's imperative for the unbiased investigative power of the National Transportation Safety Board to become involved in this case.
Do you think this could be industry changing then?
I think it could well be if you look at the fact that this rail issues of the continuous welded rails and how they're used across America and the sweltering heat that we've been suffering throughout the United States in various parts. It's something that's of national urgency. But when you hear about the Linders, you hear about people and their friends who are shattered by their loss, who knew them to be two of the most caring, loving people ever. They had a wonderful marriage. They were inseparable. I was just with someone yesterday who was a friend of Mrs. Linder, and she's still sobbing about it. I mean, these people made their mark in the community in an extraordinarily positive way, and they're, we have all suffered when something like this happens.